Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about how to reuse an old braid extension. When you pull out your braid, sometimes people think like, oh, it's waste of money. I will spend this money and buy this extension, maybe expression or whatever brand you use, and after losing my braids, I'm gonna throw them away. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reuse those extensions after you remove them from your hair, after you remove them from your braid hairstyles, after you remove them from your cornrow hairstyles, after you remove them from your ponytails, for your any type of updo in which you use these braid extensions for. I'm going to show you how to reuse it. So instead of throwing them away into the trash can, you can literally reuse this braid extension. As you can see in this video, I am using an old braid extension that literally, like, I don't know, many people would have thrown it away. So I'm going to show you how to reuse this and use it to make dreadlocks. Some people call it rasta, some people call it dreadlocks. You can literally use this to make dreadlocks. So let's head over. So the first thing you do is that you have to arrange it. Okay, you have to arrange it and make it a little bit straight. It doesn't matter if it tangles or not. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you arrange it. Use your scissors, cut off the excess parts. You're not gonna need it. Okay, you cut it off. Once you cut it off, you take your knitting pin. As you can see, this pin I'm using, you can also as well use the pin using making yarn, making beanie, making pullover, some knitting stuffs. You can use it. You can see this is what I am using, the number 1.7 centimeter hook. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna use for this tutorial. So once you get your knitting, you can get your knitting pin from any shop, any market. I don't know, you can get it anywhere. It's literally everywhere. Okay, first thing you do, you start from the root, from the root of it. You put it through the same technique you use in knitting. If you know how to knit, okay, you put it through, you grab some hair, you take it out. Literally, you're kind of making it tangle. Okay, put it through, grab some out, put it through, keep repeat the same pattern, repeat the same pattern till you get to the tip. Okay, make sure as you are repeating the pattern, you are wrapping the hair round it. Wrap it around and put the pin, take the hair, wrap it around, continue the same way. Okay, continue that same way. Make sure you wrap it around. This is what is gonna make your dreadlock, okay, stronger. It's gonna make it last longer. Okay, I believe there are different types of hairstyles you can use dreadlock for. You can use this dreadlock for crochet. You can crochet dreadlock. You can use it to naturally install it into your natural hair. If you are kind of person that loves to make dreadlock hairstyle, okay, you can use this for it. You can use this for more than 5 years, or like how anyhow you want to use it. How long do you want to use it? Want to use it for 5 years, continue to retouch it, you can use it. You can use this. Okay, and the most important part is that this dreadlock hairstyle, it doesn't get old. As it gets old, it gets beautiful. Okay, another thing is that it is very expensive. I know some countries that to get dreadlocks, it is very expensive. So if you do this, you save yourself some cost. And you can also make this in form of crochet, that you can remove it, reuse it, continue to reuse it. In that way, you don't spend too much money to get your next hairstyle done. Unlike after removing your braids, or after removing your cornrow hairstyle, after removing your ponytail hairstyle, after removing your weaving hairstyle, you throw them away. In this way, you recycle this use synthetic hair extension. Okay, so let's move on. So this is just one of the method. Okay, I am going to show you another easy method that's maybe for beginners tutorials, how they can reuse their old extension, okay, to still make dreadlock. I believe this second method I'm going to show is very very easy, that anybody can do this. Okay, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, and comment, share, so that this channel can grow, and in future we can make more videos, and everybody will benefit from it. Please just hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. So you continue. Put the pin in through, get the hair, wrap it round. Put the pin in, get the hair, wrap it round. Continue that process till you get to the end. Let's get over. As you can see, we are almost getting to the tip of it. So the next step is I am going to show you how to get the tip in place in order. So what you're going to do is, as you've seen in the video, you fold it that way. Okay, you fold the tip that way, then you tuck in the tip. As you can see, put it in through and tuck it in. Put it in through, wrap it round and tuck it in. Put it in, wrap it round and tuck it in. Put it through, wrap it round and tuck it in. You're gonna do that method, and you make sure that everything is in place. Don't forget that those strands of hair you're seeing outside is what is gonna help you to tighten this dread, to make it strong. Okay, so make sure that you take your time to put everything in and tuck it round. Okay, also don't forget to let me know which tutorial you want me to do next. Do you want me to do a tutorial on braiding hairstyles? Do you want me to do tutorial on cornrow, on ponytail, on African yarn hairstyles for kids, or kid hairstyle, bead hairstyle, whichever hairstyle you want me to do a video on? Please drop a comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna do a video on it. Okay, so you get over to the tip now. Okay, make sure you tuck everything inside, just like what I'm doing in the video. Please watch carefully. Okay, put everything, every strand of hair outside. Make sure you put everything inside, just like what I'm doing. Another very important step to give more strength to your ponytail is to roll over it. Keep it and make sure you roll it on roll it just like what you are saying in the video. So I'm going to use this cloth because the table I'm using is very smooth, and it can roll it. So you roll it that way. Once you roll it, all the hairs will get tucked in, everything will be tucked in, and your dread dreadlock will get a lot of, I don't know, it will be stronger, and you know, it will last longer. So this method will really perfect what you have been doing. Make sure you take your time, you roll it, keep rolling it on it, keep rolling it on. Maybe you can roll it on the floor, you can roll it on a clean floor, of course, on the carpet, on the rock. Like, roll it, keep rolling it that way. Once you roll it, you check the tip of it, continue to tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, till you see that, oh, this dreadlock, this hair is perfect. Okay, you can then stop. This step is very, very easy. You can start practicing this with just one dreadlock till you become a perfectionist. Okay, because if you are not perfect in it, it might take a bit of time for you to get used to it. Okay, so you keep tuck it in. As I finished rolling it on the floor, I noticed that, oh, it's not strong enough, it's not perfect enough. You can see I'm using my pin to pull out some hairs and tuck it in. So I'm going to continue that step till I see that this dreadlock is perfect enough, like the one you buy from market, you order online. Once you see it up to that, then you can stop. I know that, oh, I'm done with this. So let's watch this to the end. Please, please, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Please share this video. Okay, if you have any suggestion, I'm open to constructive criticism. Please, if you have any question, feel free to send it into my comment section, and I'm going to listen to read it and answer all your questions. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost done with it. You can see how my dread looks like. Okay, so I'm still going to roll it over again, roll it over and trim those excess hairs I'm seeing there. Trim it off, trim it off. You don't need them at this point anymore. You trim it off this way, trim them off, trim them off, trim them off this way. Okay, drop your question, your suggestion. There is an email in the description. You can send me an email. I am going to read and listen to everybody's suggestion. Please like and comment. I have other videos I made about how to make a hairstyle for kids, back to school hairstyles, easy hairstyle hacks. Please watch the videos, like and comment. Okay, and also share those videos, share it to everyone, so that our page can grow. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Please, thank you very much for watching till the end. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I believe you have learned something. You have learned that that you can literally transform your old extension, your old braid extension, into a dreadlock. That means in that way you don't waste these materials. Okay, I believe you've learned one or two things from this video. So thank you very much for watching. I love you all, my subscribers, my followers, my viewers from the United States, from India, from Indonesia, and all over the world. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. See you all in my next video. Mwah.